studio update. It's just drawing random little birds because I like drawing birds, and I thought I would talk about this book only. It's my book that I wrote and illustrated. It's about an introvert bird who discovers that they also like being with other birds. So here's Only. Only's the only bird who is quiet, the only bird who spent time alone, the only bird who watched from a distance. And I won't spoil the whole book for you, but just know that in the end, Only figures out that they also like being around their friends, because we can have many feelings and qualities at once. Only, the bird who liked being alone.